Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you, children? All are keeping well? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Keeping well.
Okay, so last class, children, we have started conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. How to convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. Okay. So Niranjan, can you give me one example for proper fraction? Example. Proper.
3/4.
3/4. Very good. So, okay, Arthur, can you tell me what is proper fraction?
Numbers that is less than denominator.
That is not a number, it's numerator. Yes,
Numerator.
fractions with the numerators less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper. So Niranjan said correctly. Yes, children. 3/4. 3 is smaller than 4, so that answer is correct. Yes, Jyoti, can you give me one example for improper? Improper. Example.
9/11.
One
12/3.
example.
12/3.
10/3?
Ma'am, she is saying 12/3.
12/3. Anyway, that's correct. Yes, children. So what is improper, Parvana? Improper. Okay, Meenakshi. Yes. Yes, Parvana. What is improper fraction? You are muted.
Ma'am,
Improper fraction. What do you mean by improper?
fraction having great numerator.
Yes, greater numerator. Yes, there is no doubt. Fractions with numerator greater than the denominator. And he said 12/3. Yes, children, that's correct. Yes, the numerator is greater. Okay,
Yes.
Ihan. Ihan Sudhir, can you give me one example for mixed fraction?
2 and 1/3.
2 and 1/2. Yes, 2.5. 2 and 1/2. That is an example for mixed fraction. So, Rebecca, can you give me what is, can you tell me what is mixed fraction?
Fractions having whole numbers and proper fraction
Very good.
are called
Whole number
mixed
and
fraction.
proper fraction. Very good. So we were discussing, children, the proper fraction, mixed fraction and improper, and we were also discussing the examples. Okay, now how to convert improper to, listen to my question, improper to mixed fraction. Improper to mixed fraction. How we can convert? Who can give me the answer? We were discussing in the last class. Yes.
Divide.
Divide. Yes, very good. To convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to divide. Okay. Then we will write the quotient as the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and the denominator will be the divisor. Okay. Then how we can convert mixed fractions to improper?
Good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon. Yes. Okay, Bilal, you can be there because you are not there in the 1B class. Yes. So you can be present here now. No problem. Yes, children. How we can convert
Students only.
mixed fraction to improper? Who can give me that answer?
Play
We will multiply what? We will multiply the whole number and
and
denominator and add the numerator. Yes, add the numerator. We will multiply the whole number and the denominator. Okay.
Add the numerator.
So children, one question we will discuss now. 12 divided by 5. This is an improper fraction. This is an example for
fraction.
improper fraction. We have to convert into mixed fraction. So what we have to do, children, tell me? We have to divide. Okay, divide the numerator divide the numerator 12 by the denominator 5. Okay. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Children, please find out the answer. Please find out the answer in your rough book. What do you have to do? You have to find out the quotient and remainder. Already we know the divisor is 5. That is, divisor is 5. Find out the quotient, find out the remainder. Please wait, don't say the answer fast. Wait. Those who have completed, please wait.
Okay. 12 divided by 5.
Okay. Yes, student, 5 times which number you will take from 12?
2.
2. Yes, 5 2s are 10. So what's the remainder? 2 minus 0?
2.
Okay. So children, here we got the quotient also 2.
Ma'am,
And
which
what about the
question is
remainder?
Two.
Remainder also 2. Okay.
Ma'am, which question is this?
This is a simple question. 12 by 5 convert into mixed fraction. Okay. You have to write in where? In the rough book. Okay. Now, quotient is, so children, what will be the whole number? The quotient. Quotient will be write as the whole number. So that is 2. And the remainder will be, here remainder and the quotient became the same number. No problem. Remainder, you have to write as the numerator. And what about the denominator? 5. So children, here we can write 2 and 2 by 5. 2 and 2 by 5 is the answer. Did you understand, children? To convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, we have to divide and find out the quotient and remainder. Quotient will be our whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and the divisor will be the denominator. So we have got the answer as 2 and 2 by 5. Now children, look here. This 2 and 2 by 5, I want to convert back to improper. I want to convert back to improper. So what we had to do?
Multiply.
Yes, we will multiply the whole number 2 and the denominator 5. Yes,
Then plus, then we should
multiply.
plus
Yes,
2. Plus 2.
the remained numerator you have to add. So children, what we had to do? The
12.
whole number 2 multiplied by the denominator 5. Then add the numerator 2. And what
And
will be
12
our
and
denominator? The same number 5. Same denominator. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So we have the mixed fraction 2 and 2 by 5. We have to convert into improper fraction. What we had to do? Multiply the whole number and the denominator, add the numerator. Now we got 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Look here, children, we started from here only. 12 by 5. So our answer is correct. Yes, children, is there any doubt in converting from mixed to improper, improper to mixed?
No.
So let's take your workbook, page number 31, all of you faster. Page number 31, question number 11 we are going to do.
Page number 31, question number 11.
Sana, you were not there in the last classes. What happened?
Convert 14 by
Okay,
Ma'am,
Han, please wait. What happened, my dear?
Ma'am,
Huh?
I have
Okay. So please check page number 31. Anyway, I will send the notes. Okay, please complete. So question number 11, Steny, please read question number 11.
Ma'am, she don't have the codes.
I
said code.
What?
Now,
What,
I
my dear?
see.
What, Meenakshi?
She don't all the board. I sent her that time she joined.
Now, Meenakshi was facing some network issue. Who can say that clearly? Raise your hand. Who can say that what she said clearly? Meenakshi was saying, but something was clear, but something was not clear.
Can you say one more time?
Ma'am,
Okay, we will ask that later. Okay, yes, we will come back to our question. Yes, who was reading? Jenny. Okay, all of you please mute your device and listen. Yes, Jenny, please read question number 11.
14. Convert 14 by 3 to its mixed fraction form.
Yes, convert 14 by 3. So what is 14 by 3, children? Which type of fraction?
improper.
Improper. Very good. Improper. We have to convert into mixed fraction. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Improper fraction. Question number 11, children. Page number divide. Divide. So you can start dividing. Question number 11, 14 by 3. That means, children, you have to divide 14 by 3. This division you can do in the rough book, because there will be no space here in your workbook. So you can do the calculations in your rough book.
Can I finish this question?
Okay, wait. Don't say the answer fast. Please wait. Divide, children. Find out the quotient. Find out the remainder. The divisor, you know already what is that? 3.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Those who got the answer, please wait. Yes, children, completed?
Yes.
3 times which number you will get from
4. 4.
4? Very good. 4 3s are 12. Subtract 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Okay. So children, what is our quotient?
4.
4 is the quotient. Remainder is 2. And the divisor is
3.
Okay, Netik. So we know what is quotient, what is remainder, what is divisor. Can you say it in mixed fraction?
4 divided by 2.
My dear, 4 is the quotient, is the whole number. Okay. Quotient is the whole number. And what will be the numerator?
Numerator 2.
2. That is remainder. Remainder is 2. And which is the next number? We have only the divisor. So 4 and 2 by 3 is our answer. So children, listen again. The quotient will be our whole number. Mixed fraction means, you know, there will be a whole number and a proper fraction. And to write the proper fraction, what will be the numerator? Remainder will be the numerator, and write the same denominator. Look here, 3 is the denominator of the question. The same denominator we have to write here. So 4 and 2 by 3. Is that clear, children?
Yes.
Yes. Arthur, can you read question number 12? Kevin, finish writing, my dear.
Question.
Are you?
Write an example of a proper and an improper.
Write an example. Please read properly. Write an example.
Each of a proper and an improper fraction.
Improper. Okay. Proper, improper fraction. So children, yes, Sanvia, what do you mean by proper fraction?
Echo is coming.
What do you mean by proper? What do you mean by proper fraction?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Janisa.
I join now only.
Why so late?
Need tissues.
Knit tissue. Okay. So we please take your math workbook, page number 31. Okay. Yes. Who was telling me the answer? Yes, Sanvia. What do you mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction means? Yes, proper fraction means?
Numerator.
My dear, I asked Sanvia. Yes, Sanvia. Yes, Parvana. Proper fraction.
Fraction having the numerator less than the denominator.
Numerator less
Less.
than denominator. Okay. So, Jyoti, what is the improper?
Ma'am,
Improper?
greater than the denominator.
What? What will be greater than the denominator? Numerator, yes. Numerator is greater. Okay, so children, you know what is improper and proper. What do you have to do? Question number 12. You can write your own example. I will ask everyone. You can write your own
And how
example.
much-
What do you have to do? You have to write proper fraction equal to question number 12. So children, this is page number 31. We are doing now question number 12. What do you have to do? Proper fraction equal to. Write your own example. You know what is proper? We discussed now. Numerator will be smaller. You can write any example. You can write any example. And improper. Improper fraction. That also you can write. One example is needed. One for proper, one for improper.
Finish.
Wait. So you know what is proper? Numerator will be smaller. And what will be improper? Numerator will be greater. Proper and improper. Let me know. So Shiva Shankaran, tell me your proper fraction. Shiva. Proper.
2/9.
2/9. Very good. What about improper, my dear?
Ma'am, to me?
Huh?
To me?
Fraction. You said only one number. Okay, 3 by
No, ma'am. 9/2.
9/2. Okay, I think you changed the like 2/9, 9/2. Yes, upside down. You will get the answer. Very good. Okay, Parvana, what's your answer? Proper
3/5 and 8/4.
8/4. Very good. Okay, what's your answer, my dear Rebecca? Proper fraction
10/12.
10/12. That is for proper. Tell me about improper.
20/15.
20/15.
15.
Okay. Now, yes, Mridul, give me proper fraction.
Sorry, ma'am. My phone will be so.
Yes.
Phone will be switched off now. Can I leave? I will see in YouTube.
Who is saying that, Mridul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That is low.
Yes, Abigail, did you get the answer? Proper fraction?
Yes. Proper fraction 3/5. Improper fraction 13/3.
13/3. Very good. Okay. Now, Kevin, can you give me your proper fraction? Proper fraction, my dear example. Kevin?
Ma'am, David.
Yes?
Fraction.
Can you give me example for proper, my dear Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Numerator will be smaller. So you can give any example. I will come back again. Please think again. Okay, Netik, give me example for proper.
2/4.
Huh?
2/4.
2/4. Very good. What about improper?
4/2.
4/2.
2.
Okay, 4/2. You also change the numbers. Yes, where is Kevin? Kevin, give me the answer. One number smaller than the other. That is, numerator will be smaller, denominator will be greater. You can choose your own example.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Suvrit.
Ma'am?
Suvrit?
Yes.
Proper fraction example.
4/6.
4/6. Very good. What about improper?
6/4.
6/4. Okay. Meenakshi, TS, can you give me the answer? Proper fraction? Proper? Yes, Sanjita, please wait. Meenakshi, proper fraction?
20/16.
Huh? What is that? 20/? Not clear, my dear. Okay, please wait. Okay, Anjita, tell me. Anjita. Yes, Anjita, give me proper fraction. Louder, please.
1/8.
1/8. Very good. What about improper?
29/5.
29/5. Are there?
Improper 3/9. Improper 9/4.
9 by
Ma'am,
4.
they were-
Okay. So children, did you understand how to write the proper fraction, improper fraction? You can choose your own example. Yes, Meenakshi Anub, have you written?
Ma'am, they were.
And Steny.
I thought you are traveling, so you don't have the book.
Ma'am,
Wait,
they
wait,
were-
wait, Steny. What's your proper fraction, my dear? Yes, tell me.
5 by 9 and
5 by
9.
9. Okay. What about improper?
9 by 8.
9 by
8.
8. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, they were-
Okay, Steny, tell me your answer.
Proper fraction 3 by 12 and 2 by 6. Improper fraction 16 by 2, 9
Only
by
one
4.
is needed. Very good. Okay. See, children, many videos are off. I want to know whether any problem. Devaj, Arshika, then Joshua, Vaishnav, Anika, Mohammed, Deva, Catherine,
Vaishnav's
and
laptop
Mary.
camera is.
Camera problem. Okay, what about others? Please turn it fast. Yes, Abigail? Okay. So children, you know what is a proper fraction, improper fraction. You have to write example only. That you can choose your own example. Next one, question number 13. Deva, Binoy. Can you read question number 13? Deva, Binoy.
Ma'am, I can write my choice.
Huh?
Ma'am, I is asking she can write any.
Any fraction, yes. You're speaking about question number 12.
Yes.
I said you can write any example. Improper fraction, for example, if I write proper 3 by 5, numerator will be smaller. Improper, you can write anything like but numerator should be greater. 13 by 7. Numerator should be greater and denominator is smaller. Okay. Now, Anchita Sunil, can you read the next question? Anchita. Question number 13. If I want to ask different persons, then there will be network problem or any lagging. Yes, Janisa, please read question number 13 louder.
Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Convert the mixed fraction into improper. So what is the mixed fraction given? Question number A. 7 and
7, 5 by 10.
7 and 5 by 10. Very good. Okay, some children have, yes, Abigail, you can check whether your answer is correct. 7 and 5 by 10. So children, how we can convert into improper? What we have to do?
We want to
Divide. We
Huh?
want to divide.
Who is speaking that? 13. Did you understand the question, my dear? 7 and 5 by 10. 7 and 5 by 10, we have to convert into
We want to multiply.
improper. We want to multiply the whole number and the denominator. Is there anyone, somebody told divide? Who is that? Maybe they think. Rebecca, listen to the question. Here we have to change the mix to improper, not we are starting from improper. Okay, so children, what we have to do? 7 and 5 by 10. What do you have to do? You have to multiply the whole number 7 and the denominator 10. Then what we have to do?
The top right 5. Want to add.
Add the number. Which number?
5.
Numerator. Okay. Then
25 by 10.
10.
Ma'am, we want to write this.
Denominator 10 we will write. See children, please don't say the answer fast. Please wait.
Ma'am, this one to write.
What is 7 into 10? Very easy.
70.
70 plus 5 by
75. 75 by 10.
yes, 75 by 10. 75 by 10. So you can write. See children, you have two questions. You have to adjust the space. A on the left side, B on the right side, or you can.
Ma'am, I wrote the short form.
Okay. 75 by 10.
Ma'am, I have write only the 75.
Answer 75 by 10. We can do it like in mental multiplication and all. So children, first if you questions you can write with the steps so that you will not forget, because you are learning this for the first time. We can do in the mind. 7 into 10, 70 plus 5. We can do in the mind. No problem.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Now do question number B alone.
Finish.
Finished. 9 and 1 by 3. Please don't say the answer fast. I'm
Finish.
writing the answers now.
Ma'am.
9 and 1 by 3. Nine and 1 by 3. Okay, children, tell me what we had to do. 9 times 3 plus 1 by 3. Tell me the answer.
28.
9 3s are 27 plus 1 by 3.
28 by 3. 28 by 3.
28 by 3. So 9 into 3, 9 3s are 21, 27 plus 1, 28. 28 by 3.
3.
Have you all got the same answer, children? 28 by 3? All of you got the same answer. How many got this answer, 28 by 3? Is there anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
So this is very easy. Just multiply the whole number and the denominator. Then we have to add with the numerator. Yes. Next question number 14. Niranjan, can you read question number 14?
Yeah, ma'am.
Convert
The improper fraction into mixed fraction. 27 by 5.
Yes. Convert this improper fraction 27 divided by 5. Okay. Rebecca, tell me what we have to do to convert this improper to mixed fraction. What we have to do?
Divide.
Divide. Very good. Divide. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay. So, children, divide. Find out the answer. Don't tell fast. Please wait for everyone to complete. 27 divided by 5. Find out the quotient. Find out the remainder. Divisor we know already. What is that? 5. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes.
I finished.
I got the answer.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Wait.
Your sound is breaking.
Whose sound is breaking?
Joshua.
Ah?
Joshua.
Joshua said that my sound is breaking, my dear.
Yes. Joshua.
Yes. So what about others?
He has network issue.
He is facing network issue. Can you hear me, children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, children. What's the answer here? 5 times which number?
4.
5 4s are 20. Who said that? 20. So I have 7 as the remainder. So is this correct? Look at here the remainder and divisor. Remainder later.
No. 5.
Division is wrong.
5.
So what do you have to do? You have to take one more. 5 times 5. What is 5 times 5?
25.
25. Now look here. The remainder is 2. So the remainder is smaller than divisor. That means our division is correct. Okay. 5 is the quotient. 2 is the remainder. And divisor is 5. Yes, Meenakshi Anub. Can you give me the mixed fraction? We have the quotient is 5. Then our remainder is 2. And the divisor is 5. So can you give me the mixed fraction? I think she's facing some problem. Joshua.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, Abigail can say.
Okay. Tell me.
5 is the whole and 2 by 5.
5 and 2 by 5. Yes, children. So the quotient will be our whole number and remainder will be 2 and that is the numerator 5. Okay. Question number B. Do alone, all of you. What's the question? 31.
31 by 7.
31 divided by 7. Try to do alone. By the time I'll take your attendance. Okay, children. So we have to divide here 31 by 7.
4 is the whole.
Did you get the answer, all of you?
4. 4.
31 divided by 7. Yes. How many times 7 can taken from 31?
4.
We take 5 times? No.
28.
It's 35. That is greater than 31. We cannot take. 7 fours are 28. Then 31 minus 28. 3. Okay. So quotient is, what is the quotient?
4.
Remainder R is equal to?
3. R equal to 3.
And what about divide?
7. 4 and 3 by 7.
7.
4
So
and 3 by 7.
4 and 3 by 7.
4 and 3 by 7.
Okay, 4 and 3 by 7.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Okay, children. So the answer of question number 14 is we have put 3 by 7 into mixed fraction. So what's the answer? 4 and
3 by 7.
all of you got the answer?
Yes.
So is there any confusion in converting improper to mixed and mixed to improper? No. Okay. So children, anyway, we will complete our class. This much only we will do today. And I have sent the notes, children, yesterday, how to convert with 2 examples. So have written, no problem. I will check.
Vaishnav also right. Ma'am, Vaishnav also right.
Vaishnav also written. Okay, children, now I want to say about seminar. Those who have not taken seminar, you can prepare for the next week. What is the chapters that you had to do? You can take any topic from chapter 8, fractions 1, chapter 9, fractions 2. Okay. I will ask that names. You can prepare. Those who have not done only can do again. Those who have done in mathematics, you need to do it again. Who have not done in maths, you can start preparing for the next week. I will inform the date and the persons later. You can prepare any topic from chapter 8 or 9, fraction 1, fraction 2. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.